COVID-19 claims another life in Karbi Anglong. Total cases registered rise to 556. KSA team from Karbi Anglong visits Umrongso. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to morning news of Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now let's look into the news in detail. Day after day, the pandemic COVID-19 is adding more grief to the people of Karbi Anglong who are still grieving the loss of their loved ones. On 16th of August at around 8 p.m., one more person so close to the hearts, Dorsing Terang, breathed his last and left this world. Late Dorsing Terang was the president of Karbi National Assembly. In the early part of August, Terang was diagnosed malaria and later tested positive of COVID-19. He was undergoing treatment at Deepu Medical College and Hospital, and unfortunately, he succumbed to his illness on August 16 at around 8 p.m. He was a resident of Lorulangso in Deepu and a native of Jengka, West Karbi Anglong. Terang was an honest and kind person and has been a dedicated social and youth activist throughout his life. Apart from KNA, he had been instrumental in the strengthening of several other organizations as well. He was very well respected and was close to everyone, especially the youths. The news of his demise came as a sudden blow to thousands of hearts. People would always remember him as a person who was very conscious about cleanliness of public places. He often looks after the garden in Rongparpi, Rongbay Police Point. Condolence messages have flooded social media page wishing peace for his departed soul. A condolence program was organized yesterday at Rue Samson Singingti Memorial Park to pray for his soul. Meanwhile, the number of COVID cases is increasing day by day and reached to 556 by the time this report was filed. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. After a long gap, the KSA team from Karbi Anglong, led by President Samson Teron, reached Umrongso and held talks with the local KSA team. Karbi Students Association President Samson Teron, General Secretary Bisnu Teron and his team have visited Umrongso after a long gap. The Mahasao Karbi Students Association President Longsing Rongpi, General Secretary Dhonsing Teron and his team have welcomed them by felicitating with Karbi Poho at Rongkangtui Youth Club. While speaking to the media, Samson Teron expressed his immense joy to meet the Mahasao local KSA members. He added that the implementation of Article 244A is very important and that the KSA need to fight unitedly for its success. He appealed to the Karbi community living in Mahasao to act as a neutral agent and stay in peace with the other tribes residing in the district.
Karbi lo Charlie song hote KSA tum pini Umrongso ahawaralong Umrongso KSA district committee tum pen interaction meet mate po chingki chingwai la so mai Pasto jasimet pet itum Karbi lo Charlie song hin pen dang ni tu ko pini media no chipik lang ni pan lapopan kali la pen itu mena personal lo soal li ga chuen ni pan asan chimang kali
Linson Ronghang from Umrongso, Karbi Anglong Live. The persons kept for quarantine at Merogov School Hostel on Monday showed their displeasure over the poor sanitation and cleanliness issues at the center. Mero Government School at Dangang is serving as a quarantine center for many persons who return home from different cities. However, the quarantine persons have alleged that the administration is not taking proper care of the sanitation issues at the center. While talking to our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent, the quarantine person told that even after one person was tested positive recently, the authority did not sanitize all of the rooms, nor did they change the bed sheets and pillow covers of the positive persons. Apart from that, the person supplying food to the center also said that the administration is not paying their bill even after several months. In addition to this, the quarantined persons also stated that the individuals who came to the center on 1st and 3rd of August have not received the result of their swab tests. One person serving in the Indian Army has a medical certificate of being COVID negative. Despite that, he was not permitted to undergo home quarantine. The situation at the center became so tense that the local police, health officer and representatives of the Deputy Commissioner's office had to intervene to settle the matter. Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Dwarbagori VDC Chairman Sarkoi Rongphar had on Monday visited a site, the bamboo bridge swept away by the flooding river on August 14 at Nihangkat, Malasi. The bamboo bridge, which was sanctioned 2 years ago by the PWD Kohora Road Division at Nihangkat, Malasi, to accelerate transporting of goods, agriculture products and also for medical purposes, was swept away by the Diflo River. As the incessant monsoon rains led to flood in all parts of the state and thousands of families in Karbi Anglong had also become homeless. Several bridges are damaged due to the heavy flood in Diflo River on August 14. The bamboo bridge connecting villages on both banks was swept away. Following this, people are now facing great difficulty to cross the river in absence of the bridge. The Dwarbaguri VDC Chairman Sarkoi Rongphar reached the site immediately after receiving news and assured the people residing across the Diflo River that a new bamboo bridge would be constructed at the earliest, as the ongoing construction of RCC bridge would take some more time to be completed. The VDC Chairman said that people of Dadhora, Sarbura Ingti, Sarbekro, Dipluso and adjacent areas need not worry about the matter. He was accompanied by local party leaders Mongol Singh Terang, Larson Phangchok, Mongol Singh Ingti, Samson Togbi and Santos Rongpi. RJ Sonrongphar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.